Hi guys, and welcome back to North Dakota Homestead. And today Mama entrusted me with doing a recipe she has did for a long time, but I don't know why she chose me. But anyway, today we're going to make apple good. It is super delicious, and we're going to see how easy it is. So, first, you combine the sugar, 2 tablespoons of the flour, the cinnamon, and it calls for nuts, but our family doesn't care for nuts, so I'll put the recipe down below, but since this is new, I'm not going to be able to tell you the measurements. Then it says toss slightly. That is not going to work. I have a spoon over here. Oh, I got took away. So I'll just use that. Thank you. And next, you put your apples in this bowl right here. And you sprinkle the sugar mixture right here over the top of it. Now you would probably stir it together now. And these apples are peeled and diced. And then you set this, or you put this in the bottom of your greased and floured 9x13 pan. And then you have your oats, your flour, your brown sugar, and I'm going to actually stir this together and then add your melted butter. And probably right around this time, you would start preheating your oven to 350. I'll get somebody to go preheat it right quick. And this creates kind of like a crumble mix. It doesn't create like a paste, it's just more or less a crumble. And then you take this sprinkle it over your apples as evenly as you can. And this tastes super, super delicious. This is something Mama usually makes every fall, or my older sisters. But it never stays very long. Like 2 days, 3 days at the most, it's gone. And then you take your hand and just lightly press it into the apples, and it makes kind of a crust on the top. And then it says to bake 30 minutes or until golden brown. So that was not very hard at all. That was super easy, super fast too. It didn't take very long at all. So I'll bring you back when this thing is done, and we'll show you how good it cooked for 30 minutes. Now it's done. We'll let it cool for about 5 minutes. And so now I'm going to taste test. And it still looks really hot. We'll see. It's still hot. But not too hot. Oh man, that is so good. So yeah guys, just cook for 30 minutes. Let it cool for 5. If you don't like it super hot, let it do maybe 10. But yeah, I really like that. That is so good. So I actually did it. First time making it. And I didn't do a big catastrophe. So thank you for watching. Please like this video. Please share this video to others. And subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded.